Hi, boys. This email is about signing up for Khan Academy. So, with our weekly quizzes or some online work or anything where you need to sort of fill in some gaps, I'd like to create classes so that it makes the management of that a little bit easier. So, you should receive an email that under the heading of CBHS Mathematics, Khan Academy sign up, and it should have our class next to it. There'll be a link which is highlighted there. You just need to click on that, and then that should take you to a screen that looks like this. So join your class on Khan Academy, and then it should have the same our class written there. Now you've got a choice. You can either create a new account or you can log into your existing account. It's really important you only create one, and it's one that you have your password for and things like that. So if you already have a Khan Academy, you just need to click that and you'll be asked to sign in. But for most of you, I presume it'll be creating a new account. You need to put in your birthday. And then you need to select a way to sign up. So if you have a Google account, you can use that. If you don't, then you can just use your school email. And in fact, actually using your school email is probably the best way to go. You can put in your email. And your name. And no nicknames, please. If it's a nickname, you're going to have to sign up again. And that's another point about your Google account. If it hasn't got your first name and last name on it, there's no way of me knowing who it is. So you need to create a new account. A password that's something that is easy to remember, and then sign up. And then that should take you through to the next stage where it's you've got a welcome to the class and all those sorts of things. So this one at the moment, there's been no assignments or anything like that set up for you. But eventually, what I'd like to do is there should be some assignments for you to do, and I'll email you to let you know that that's happening. In the meantime, what you can do is you can start to look at if you've got nothing to do and you would like some extra work, you can look at this, which is pretty well set up. So to give you a good idea that most of the time we'll be dealing with pre-calculus or the actual topics. Anything pre-algebra, things like that tends to be the junior school. So if, for instance, you wanted to look and work at doing some trigonometry, you can see that there's different courses that have been set up. So it'd be a good idea to fill in any gaps with this as well. And it might be that I set a course for you. So play around with that. Try and use and find something that is most useful to you. And let me know with any problems. But by the end of week 1, you need to make sure you've signed up to Khan Academy, please. Apart from year 9, who's already signed up to Education Perfect.